Amelia. And my name's Bridie. Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be making my favorite dessert, chia seed pudding. So let's get started and make these chia seed puddings. Dun, 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 dun. You can have them for breakfast or you can have them for dessert, but I kind of prefer them for dessert and make them a bit more sweeter or a bit more dessert-like. The first chia seed pudding we're going to be making today is the original chia seed pudding. I've kind of done a little bit of a twist on it. This is Michael's favorite one. I've made really fancy ones, really nice ones, and he still says, I like the original better. Quarter cup of black chia seeds, and we're going to add to the cup of chia seeds 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk. Usually the chia seeds start to congeal really fast, so I like to stir it up a little bit so then they are evenly throughout the coconut milk, and then add the other ingredients. Next you're going to add your 2 tablespoons of shredded coconut, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, and then we're just going to add 1 teaspoon or 1/2 cup of vanilla essence. I just add this in just to make it a little bit yummier because it's a dessert. It's Michael's favorite. So I add in dark chocolate. Roughly chop the chocolate. Chopping chocolate is so good. Put your dark chocolate into the mix. Once you have stirred all your ingredients together, leave your chia seed pudding out for 10 minutes until you put it in the fridge. That just makes sure that the chia seeds have congealed within the mixture. Stir it every now and then so then the chia seeds are all throughout the milk. And then pop it in the fridge for about 2 hours to overnight. We're going to be using our black chia seeds, and that is 1/4 cup. Next we're adding the chocolate flavor to it, which is cocoa powder. Cocoa powder or cacao powder. Cacao powder is a little bit more bitter, but it's relatively the same thing. Some people say it's healthier than cocoa powder. I wonder why. It's something about the roasting of it. Wow. We're going to add 2 tablespoons of maple syrup to the chia seed pudding, 1/2 cupful or 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Dark chocolate, we're going to roughly chop it up. So now we're just going to stir it all up, mix the ingredients together. Oh, I want to try it. It looks like a Milo. So pop it in the fridge for 2 hours, or you can leave it overnight and then you can pop your toppings on. Blueberry chia seed pudding. This one is a little bit different to last time. First we're going to pop in the 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk into the blender cup, 3/4 cup of frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries, 2 tablespoons of maple syrup, add 1/2 cupful or a teaspoon of vanilla essence. Blend all those ingredients together, add your black chia seeds, and then we add the blended mixture of coconut milk and blueberries. Mix well to combine all the chia seeds through the pudding. Right, so put it in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. So for this one, we're going to start off by actually crushing a few raspberries at the bottom of your jar or cup. Zest of 1 lemon. Put about half into the coconut mixture, which is in a separate jug or bowl. For this specific recipe, we've chosen to use white chia seeds. You can use black, but it looks more appealing with the red raspberry color. 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. That will balance the sweetness with the tangy lemon and raspberry. So we're going to pour the 2 together into the cup. You pop it in the fridge for 2 hours to overnight. this chai latte chia seed pudding. You'll need your black chia seed, 1/4 cup, 2 tablespoons of coconut sugar to the chia seeds. Add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. Add 4 different spices. We've got 1/4 teaspoon of cardamom, ginger, nutmeg, of cloves. So now once you've put all your spices in, we're going to stir them all up to combine them. Add your 1 1/4 cup of coconut milk to the spices. Alright, so after your chia seed pudding has been setting for 10 minutes, it's gonna look like this sort of consistency, very congealed, and that's when you're going to pop in your cinnamon stick. That's going to act as a decorative garnish. It's going to infuse into the chai latte chia seed pudding. Pop that in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight. How good do they look? It was so much fun making these, and they're gonna taste amazing. Or comment below what flavor you would like to try. Well, don't forget to like and subscribe. Make sure you click the bell button so then you get notifications, because sometimes it doesn't pop up on your newsfeed. So if you click the bell button, you'll get notified when Amelia and I post our videos. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye! Oh, they look so good. How yummy do these look? So good. Michael, come here and taste it.
You want me to eat some food?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Ooh, there's so many different flavors. Are we all gonna have a bite and just say it's good?
No, you've got to give a true verdict. Like, that's the point. True verdict. Okay. So we have raspberry and lemon zest chai latte. You know that one. We have a new one, the blueberry one.
Classic.
We have the classic. See, he loves it. The original, and Michael loves this one.
Classic is the best one.
And then this one's the chocolate one. Yeah, but try the first one.
Oh, this one?
I have to taste. No.
Okay, this is the one that I haven't really tried.
Oh, I like this. So fruity and tangy. It gives like a crispiness.
This is a good one.
Can I try?
I could definitely have this one.
Really? Oh.
Way thicker.
This one's so good. I haven't had that one yet. The original's pretty good, actually.
That one's at the
Yeah,
bottom.
it is. What's yours?
I've already ordered it.
Oh. This one, and this one. You hate this one. It's long when I... What are you doing? Can I do it? Sure. Also use cacao powder. Is it cacao? Cacao. How much do you normally spend on your groceries? 130, 150. Fruit and veg for a fortnight. Okay. Hey Google, how do you pronounce cocoa?
That's pronounced cacao powder.
Cacao! I was gonna say, can you pop them in the microwave? Stop teasing me that I don't have a microwave. Get a hairdryer. I do have a microwave, but let's just blow dry it. I don't have a hairdryer. Oh god. I don't want to damage my hair. I don't know why people use hairdryers. I see it's like pointless. Your hair's gonna dry anyway. Styles it though. It kills it. Yes, that's a great shot. I'm gonna pray. Thank you, Jesus, for a wonderful day. What do we normally say? You're like yelling at the mic. Hi, welcome back to my channel. Wait. I usually say welcome back. I have a high five song in my head. We're going to roughly... Just put that down there. Because you're excited because it's your recipe. Yes, I'm excited. Hi, my name's Amelia. And my name's Bridie. And welcome back to our channel. That's what we usually do. That's what we usually do. What time did you go to bed? 1. Oh, doing the video. Matt and I wanted to watch Married at First Sight. Mix the ingredients together. Amelia! I was so confident. Like, I never stay up till 1 by choice. I have like a strict routine. And it's like 9 o'clock. I'm like, oh my gosh, I need to have a shower. I need to be in bed very soon. When like, such an old lady. Yeah, I know. My voice is really loud. I don't know why. Michael is going to adore me when he gets home. You were born that way. I literally was born coming out screaming. It's definitely come good. Like, you've made it into a career. What? Being loud. Have I? Is this our career? It will be. You better subscribe and subscribe.